Take one. All right, take two. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I just wanted to share with you guys on this cheap wig that I purchased off Amazon for $60. It's from the company Jaja Hair, 100% human hair wigs. Yeah. So I purchased this hair about a week ago. You guys know that I was ready to take out those knotless braids. It was time for my hair to be washed, which I love the knotless braids. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get ready to put them back in. But guys, look at this hair. $60. $59.99, rounded up $60. I love how this hair looks on me. I was kind of skeptical because the last time I actually wore short hair, like short hair, was, I don't know, a while back. I know I did try that mama wig, but yeah. But anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys, this is a full lace wig, I believe. I'll put all the information down in the description box, but this is a full lace wig. You are able to glue it down, but I didn't glue this wig down at all. You guys can see I didn't glue it down at all. All I did was literally just add like a band so it could be more tighter, because I work out and I don't want to like glue a wig onto my head and I know I'm just gonna sweat it out. Then I have to either apply the glue back, and I was like, that's just too much work. So I'm just gonna find an easier way where I can just put the wig on and take the wig off, especially when I'm working out, because I'm trying to get fit. I know it's taking a while, but you know, patience is key. You know, the race ain't for the swift, so patience is key. But this is the wig. I love it, guys. I absolutely love this short wig. I was trying to look for a short wig for the longest. I've been looking at different vendors, different companies, but I was like, I just only need a wig that I can just wear for about like a couple of weeks, you know, especially that I want to continue working out, trying to, you know, get into a better lifestyle habit. So I was like, let me just find something. When I went on Amazon, to be honest, I was skeptical to purchase this hair. I saw that a lot of people had purchased this hair, but then when I read the reviews, I seen good reviews, then I seen skeptical reviews. I was like, you know what? It never hurts to try. It never hurts to try. And with Amazon, I love Amazon. Anybody who knows me know that I am a fan of Amazon. Like, I am a prime member of Amazon. Like, I love Amazon. So when it pertains to Amazon, if you don't like something, feel free to ship it back, as long as you don't like pluck the hair or bleach the hair or whatever it may be. But with Amazon, you can always return it. So that's one of the many reasons why I was like, you know what, it never hurts to try, because if I don't like it, if it doesn't look right with me, I'm just gonna ship it back. But I think it actually looks cute. So I am gonna show you guys how this wig came when I first purchased it, how it looked, the box and everything. But y'all, I did pluck the middle area. I did pluck it just a tad bit, just a tad bit. I didn't really have to do much, but I did pluck it. And it came already pre-cut, which is great because, you know, a sister can't cut her, but it already came pre-cut. I absolutely love this wig. So let me show you guys how the wig looks, because I like it better behind my ears. But let me show you guys how this wig looks. Like, this is it, not tucked behind my ears. So this how the wig look, not tucked behind my ear, but I think I like it better tucked. So do you guys like it better behind my ears or like this? I don't know. I think I like it behind my ears. I don't know why. I just like when it's tucked in. And no, I did not glue the sides down. I just need something I'm just going to put on and easy to take off. I really do like it. The fact that it was only like $60 and it's so easy. It was already pre-cut. Like the lace was already on point. I didn't really have to do a lot of plucking because I'm not a professional. Have me to pluck it, y'all gonna see mad patches. So anything that can help me with already pre-plucking, pre-bleaching, pre-cutting, that is a plus on top of a plus on top of a plus. So what would I rate this company, this Jaja Hair, after everything that I've seen, after the reviews, and now that I actually have it in my own possession? I would definitely give this wig a 9.5. A 9.5. I like it. I like it. It got me looking classy or whatever, making moves or whatever, coming through or whatever. There was something else I wanted to share with you guys. Oh, and the circumference of my head is 21 inch. I did purchase this in medium, and I gotta give an applause to Jaja and Amazon for working together. And yeah, so if you guys are interested and you guys like what you see, go ahead and purchase this wig. What are you really losing except $60? But I know $60 is worth something, because it's worth something to me. You know, I'm not trying to make it seem like I'm rich, because I'm not. So $60 is worth something. But as I said, if you try it on before without cutting, bleaching, doing whatever, if you like it, then perfect. If you don't, you can always return it back to Amazon. So that's why I said, like, you either win or you lose, either or, you get what you pay for. But I like it. So if anyone is looking for a short hairdo and not trying to spend a great amount of money, and you just want something so you can look cute, simple, and to the beat, or whatever, you just want something to look cute and simple, go ahead and purchase Jaja Hair. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I literally purchased this with my own money. Yeah, so I'm not going to share with you guys something that I don't like. And anything that I love, I am always willing to share with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.